Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. So in this class, I'm going to tell you this is the joke window as you can see on my screen. First of all, I want to show you the output. When I will click here, this window will open. Random jokes is just a heading. If I will click on joke, then whenever I will click, it will show me different types of jokes. For this, first of all, we will create the window. For making the window, we will call from taking the import start. After that, we will make here import request. Import request is just a package by which we can call the URL. Now import random, so it will show the random command root, just a variable name. TK for making the window. This is a shortcut of tkinter. Now we just make here root.title jokes, root.geometry, and root.configure. I hope this thing you know very well. Title for making the title, geometry for setting the size of the window, configure for set down the background. Now we just make the label. Label is just a variable name. This label is the command, so that's why L is capital. Root is the window name that we make here. Text, random joke. This is just my title, font, size. I have mentioned label.pack, pad by 20. Pack.pad by it will set the position of the label that where you want to set. If I will make here pad by 20, it will come to the center. After this, we just use here result label. Result label also just a variable name. Same coding which we have done here. Same we can do copy and paste. Just change that here we have mentioned random jokes. In this result label, we will not mention text. The reason is when we will click on the button, then it will come randomly. That's why we haven't used text. Otherwise, rest is same. The main thing is the function. After this, we will create the function diff get joke. Get joke is just a simple function name. URL also the variable. Just copy and paste the URL from Google. And after copying the URL, just mention here /random. /random will help generate the random jokes. Now response is just a variable name. Request the package which we have called upside. Dot get URL, whatever it will take from this URL. Then data is equal to response. Let's call this package JSON. JSON will we have for converting the language in the string one means for converting the language in the Python. Setup again a variable name data.get setup no joke found. Then here if it will not get any joke, it will show no jokes. Punchline also the variable name data.get punchline. Data.get means whatever the data will be get from here, it will show this one. We make blank. Result label in the result label, it will be config for setting it. Text app, my first variable name is setup and second variable name is punchline. In between, I'm using here /n for keeping it in the next line. So setup will show the joke and punchline will show the answer. After this, we will create the button. B1 is the variable. Button B capital, because this is the function. Root, the window name, text, joke, and font size. And here the main thing it is whenever you will make the button, you have to call the command. By calling the command, the different types of command, like one command which you have made with the help of function, and it will be visible. Now the last we just mentioned here, v1.pack pad by 20. Now when we run the code, it will be something like this. I hope it's completely clear for you.